Yeah. What you say?
The bath. I want to take a shower.
Okay, you gotta eat dinner, man. I made you some Afro-Mexican rice, vegetables, steaming. Smell like some type of, oh my God, that smells good. Then I did that little, some of that BBQ Pineapple Chicken. Got some sausage links right here. Barbecue sausage right there. Barbecue pineapple chicken with that rye. And I'm about to open up a can of these pinto beans and call it a day. Hey, y'all like and subscribe to Baby Cat 85. Feel free to cook for yourself. Oh, I'm putting these turkey wings on for the late night. So when I wake up in the morning, they gonna be nice and done. Them turkey wings hit way differently. Pineapple chicken. Barbecue pineapple chicken. That's barbecue sausage. Polish sausage. Nice and charred and moist. Ready to eat, son?
Yeah.
Chicken coming off the bone.
That's what's funny.
That pineapple chicken with that rye. One more. Oh, let me cover it. Ah, there we go with that parchment paper. No foil, parchment paper. That rice nice and fluffy. Nice and fluffy scoops. No gooiness, none of that gooiness, just all fluffiness. Whew. Hey, y'all like and subscribe to Baby Cat 85. We about to eat dinner, man. Call it a day. Oh, yes, indeed. Oh, let me look at it one more time. So I'm trying to tell you, the boy, I'm the black. Yes, I am the black Jerry Heller, the boy.